Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, Jenny Local Arts. Thank you for being here today. We're gonna make that beautiful canvas. I'm gonna show you how I made this. Okay, what I use, it's all here. I got prepared today, and it was like Arteza, magenta from Arteza. I got it with water and Floetrol. PBO 357. It's like a bluish, greenish, something like that. But it's a beautiful color. Love it. Red amaranth, pearl red amaranth red from Arteza. And I have ultramarine from Shadow Art. That's beautiful color too. I got deepy brown metallic pearl from US Supply, Art Supply. And I got gold metallic 350 from PBO. So that was the color. And I'm gonna show you how I made this canvas. So if you like it, leave your like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to touch the bell to don't miss any other video. All right, let's start it. I started this canvas with a different basic color to test how it would look with this background. I want to try different base colors like pink and green, and why not yellow? Let's see.